Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy potion that you can use to help your hair in its growth journey, like in your hair's growth journey. This is a quick and easy tea rinse that you can use. So first off, I'm going to be using some hibiscus leaves. So this is dried hibiscus that you can find in your local market. In Nigeria we call it zobo. So you can ask for zobo leaf when you go to the market. So I put that in a bowl of hot water, and I'm going to be following that up with cloves. So cloves are very potent ingredients in hair tea rinses and things like that, because they just help with fullness, with thickness, with the overall health of your hair. So they're very potent ingredients. When I use them for many of the tea rinses that I use on my hair. So I'm just going to give that a bit of a mix and just cover that up so that it can really soak up, the water can soak up the juices from the hibiscus flower and the clove. So after doing that, usually I would advise that you probably use like a filter bowl or a basket or something like that. But I'm just using the spoon here as sort of like a filter in that sense, to stop the particles and all of those things from entering into the bottle. And then I added my secret ingredients, which is tea tree oil that I usually would use. So I put that into the spray bottle and just give it a little bit of shake and just spray that around my hair. So just to the full length of the hair, so to the scalp, to the strands, everything, just making sure that my hair soaks up as much of the tea that it can. So this is good for if you have like dull hair, if you're losing a bit of volume in your hair, if it's lacking in some form of shine. You use this and it just helps your hair to grow, helps it to just facilitates the growth, and just the massaging process also promotes hair growth, because I use tea tree oil, which is very good in helping your hair grow. That also does the job of stimulating your hair follicles so that it can produce more strands for you. So just do that, just massage that thoroughly into your scalp, to the length of your hair. And I think I did this for like about 10 minutes or thereabouts, just massaging the entire length of my hair with this tea rinse. You can do this and then leave your hair to hair dry, or you can do this and then wash it off, depending on what you do. But usually I just put this in and I leave my hair to air dry and then move on with whatever style I'm going for that day. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this hair tea rinse out, this hair tea treatment. Let me know if you try that, and let me know what you think if you've tried it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.